Hi guys, welcome to Aao Baatein Kare. Pooja here. Well, are you guys feeling depressed, low, kind of a stuck energy? Then I think it's time to fill up your cup. Well, many of you all must be wondering, what is this fill up your cup? What cup has to be filled up? Well, let's think of an instance. You see a lady in the cafe and her cup, she's holding a coffee cup and her cup is filled till the brim with coffee. Okay? And all of a sudden, another kid or another person or a gentleman bangs into her, or she gets a push from that person. What do you think will spill out of her cup? Yes, the answer is right. Coffee, right? Because it is filled till the brim, the coffee will fall. In other instance, if you are let's say having juice somewhere, or if your cup there is soup in your cup, there is orange juice in your cup, there is coke in your cup, and whenever somebody bangs into you or pushes you, or there is unknowingly there is an encounter with you where you get imbalanced, whatever is there in your cup is going to spill, right? In the same way, if we are worried, in anxiety, angry, sad, depressed, well, very sorry to tell you all that your cup is full up of all these things. Over the years, knowing unknowing, you have kept filling up your life's cup with all anger, resentment, maybe to yourself, other people, guilt, worry, depression, anxiety. And when life gives you a shove or a push, or anyone comes in your life which just gives you a nudge, all of these things come spilling out. Now, let's start with something good. Let's start with the good news. Well, you can fill up the cup of life at any time of life with whatever you want. So, slowly and steadily, you will have to start emptying all what you don't need from the cup. Your anger, anxiety, worry, resentment towards the world, other people, victim mentality, resentment towards our own self, criticizing yourself too much, and many such things. Well, we'll talk about these things in some other time or some other video or podcast of mine. But today, let us talk about how do you fill your cup with all the lovely things, so that whenever life gives you all a push, all beautiful things fall out. Isn't it fun to just imagine it? Imagine a cup like this, right? So wouldn't you all love to have a cup from which, instead of anxiety, worry, depression, love, happiness, joy, excitement falls out? Wow, I would love to have a cup like this. So, the first step, I'll give you all a few steps. The first step to fill up your cup is start your day or your chapter of life fresh. Write down 5 to 10 things that make you happy. What is it that makes you happy, and what you can do about it? Well, if suppose you say traveling the world makes me happy, well, we can't do that today, right? So you can research about it. make a folder, save it, bookmark a few things. So that will give you a startup. Instead of filling the cup with sadness, resentment, or depression. Oh, I can't travel. I love to travel, but I can't travel. There is COVID. Oh, I can't travel. Same thing, we can fill up a cup with, let's plan my next destination. I'll plan it better. I'll do better research. Let me search for 2-3 new food joints today. Let me search for the best souvenirs I can get back. What are some hidden gems in that area? Wow, what is the best spa, best food joint, best resort? What's the culture of that place? What's the heritage? What can I learn? If you're traveling with your family, what can my kids learn from this trip? So the same thing, the same situation, you have started filling your cup with positivity, encouragement, excitement, and beauty. Well, have you guys tried karaoke anytime? Try it. It's fun. Now ये मत कहना मेरी आवाज़ बहुत ख़राब है. सबकी होती है, सबको लगता है. हर कोई बैकग्राउंड सिंगर नहीं हो जाता. So this is just for fun, just to enjoy. Well, what I just said in Hindi is, don't say I've got a bad voice. Everybody thinks that, and it's okay. Even if you've got a bad voice, you don't sing properly or the notes are going everywhere, it's fine. The aim is not to perform. We are not on a stage to perform. Aim is just to enjoy. And I have made my own playlist of songs, old songs, new songs, which are very melodious, which I love, which gives me a pep, or some of the sad ones, which I don't know, sometimes the sad songs, hearing some few sad songs give me बहुत सुकून देती है. What do you say in English? Makes you feel very comfy, and it's like comfort food, if I can put it in this way. Okay, so just try karaoke. You can do it with your friends, you can do alone. कोई भी गाना लो, बजाओ और देखो तो सही. First 5 minutes first, you may feel out of place if you have not done it. You may feel how silly or something. Few of you all can feel. And there is no age. You can karaoke from being a small child, from being 17, 18, 70, 80, 90. No big deal. So, and it's not like dance, like you have to worry about your stance or angle or this, or your legs are paining or any of those sorts. So just try singing along any of your favorite song. ऐसा कोई हो नहीं सकता जो बोले कि मेरा कोई फेवरेट सॉन्ग नहीं है. ऐसा कोई नहीं है यार, बंदा बंदी दुनिया में. So everybody's got a favorite song. Just give yourself 2-3 minutes. आ जाएगा, you'll get the song immediately. And try and start karaokeing every day. Well, another thing is, which you can add in your list, is try sleeping an hour extra. Really, it is the best way our body can relax, rejuvenate, we can replenish our energies. And I think this generation is really sleep starved, if that's a word. We don't give sleep that much importance as it should be given. So it can be half an hour in the morning, or if you can squeeze a half an hour in the afternoon. So if you can't go out, you have always traveled, just think on traveling. Maybe you're spending 1 hour, 1.5 hour, 2 hours you're spending on going from your home to job and back in the traffic. So maybe you have saved 3 hours of your day, right? So from these 3 hours you can use an hour extra to sleep and get your batteries charged up. So whenever we start life again, you are so much healthier. right? And your cup is now filling up with positivity, with sleep, with beautiful karaoke. Okay, let me ask you one thing. What did you want to become when you were 7 years old, or 8 years old, or 9 years old? Just think of it. Someone says, I want to be a fireman. Somebody says, I want to be a policeman. Some says, girls mostly here say air hostess. Okay, because maybe the charm was roaming around the world in a plane without spending money. That was the thought process behind that. Or I want to, or somebody says I want to be an actress or whatever, XYZ. What you wanted to be before people told you, you can do this, you cannot do this, okay, this can be done, you can be done. So just sit back for 5-10 minutes and imagine if you could have lived that life of yours. Maybe you will find it very funny, maybe you will find it very exciting, or maybe you will find it like, yeah, it could have been done, whatever. So go back in your memory lane or memory album and just think of all the positive things in your childhood, or your few years back, till 3 months back, 6 months back. So this is only going to I'm telling you this only for you to get the child in you awake again. Never let the inner child die. Or maybe you had a favorite comic of yours, or a favorite cartoon, some serial you used to watch about 20 years back. Go search on the net. Maybe you find it. Maybe you get 1 or 2 episodes. Just see how you feel. So fresh, so rejuvenated. Such big words, my God. Okay, so try this also. This is another trip. Revisit your childhood, but in a positive way. Well, we have to fill up our cup in all the 3 departments: our body, our soul, our mind. And these all 3 departments are interconnected. So, one more way of filling up your cup is exercise. You can choose any form of exercise. It can be Pilates, it can be walking, yoga, workout, Zumba, dancing, anything what you enjoy or you think you can do it. You can keep upgrading it. Start with, if you're a non-exerciser at all, is that a word? I don't know. Okay. So if you're a non-exerciser, it's fine. You start with 5 minutes. Start with simple stretches, and then slowly within few weeks, few days, you can upgrade it. Exercising is very, very important, and at least an hour should be given to exercise every day, so that the next 23 hours of our day can be enhanced, right? And one more point which I think you should add in your list is follow a hobby, whichever or whatever your hobby may be. Maybe you used to do it very well, something when you were younger, when you were a kid, maybe few years back. It can be drawing, painting, pottery. Do you love gardening? Anything what you like. Try adding it in your schedule 2 to 3 times a week, and that will slowly and steadily, or I think not slowly, fast will start filling up your cup with things that you love, and you will feel so good about yourself. You will start feeling positive. You will start feeling loved, and you will start becoming emotionally strong. That's a very, very important thing. Every person should feel emotionally adequate, emotionally strong. Meet up with your friends, catch up with your friends. You can meet in the local park in your society, in your town, some place nearby with a bit of social distancing. Of course, you all can sit on the grass and chat. Everybody can take some coffee or tea along, some sandwiches. It can be a mini potluck, right? Or if you all don't want to go out or meet physically, there is always calling on the phone, chat, WhatsApp calls, FaceTime, anything. So connecting with your friends who make you feel good, having a good laugh, talking something silly, something goofy. You don't have to be prim and proper all the time. Just be childlike again. That is a very, very important quality or a habit you have to install in yourself. You know why most of the babies and children are very happy till the age of 5, 6, 7? Because till then they have not understood that they can't do this or they can't do that, or they think they can do anything, they can be anything is achievable. So we should, if this quality or this silliness is dead or buried, we have buried it down below, come on, get it up. It's time to start having little silliness in our life. There is nothing and no need to be so right, prim, proper, accepted, okay all the time. That's not possible. Don't give yourself such a hard time. Just chill, just relax and enjoy the day. The next thing you all should do is start decluttering your house, your closet, your mind, and all the energy around you. So you can start with your closet. Anything you have not worn for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years, put it in a box to give away. Or you can keep 1 or 2 items for memory. And any cloth which makes you feel depressed, dull, old, or worried. There are some clothes which make you feel very happy, which makes you feel 20 years older than what you are. I have such things which I have removed. So just put it in a giveaway box. You can try with 5 to 10 items every day. The same thing can be done with your books, CDs, cassettes, some old items, anything. Start with decluttering your room, decluttering your home, your garage, your clothes. And when you start decluttering, you will understand, knowing or unknowing, you're decluttering your environment, your mind, your emotions. That is also getting decluttered. After a few weeks, or maybe a few people can take few months also to get through this phase, you can also start decluttering your mind, and there is something called as emotional decluttering. So in short, or basically I can say, is start giving out or leaving things which make you emotionally sad, make you feel bad, make you feel guilty for no rhyme of reason. Start forgiving yourself. Start loving yourself. Start pleasing or stop pleasing people, all the people around you. Stop or don't let people be judgmental. So I'll put up another video for this. This is a very vast topic, but you can start with decluttering of your next new thing, or something new you can add to fill up your cup is learn something new, na? It can be a new language, it can be to dance, it can be maybe cooking or anything. Maybe you like drawing, or I cannot even think of options now, but anything, just sit down and learn something new. Anything new, learning something new, you will be involved, you will start practicing. And suppose if I want to learn Spanish, okay, so instead of worrying about something so silly or stupid which is going to get me very down, I'll start practicing hola. Isn't it right? So I'll start practicing good morning, good night, hello, how are you. So all my energy, see, we have got only 100% of energy to put in anything. So if my hola is taking up 20-30% of energy, yay, I've got 30% less to worry. And rest, obviously, you have your house, your job, your kids, your family, husband, wife, relationships. So life is a mess. It's okay. The next 70% can be taken up in that. So try, think of something new and try and learn something new. Really. The next point is, and it's a very important point, do some social service. Be of help to somebody else and just see your cup overfilling with happiness, satisfaction, and a feel-good feeling. It can be somebody in your neighborhood, an old couple you already know. You can just spend time with them, talk to them, take them a few groceries, meet them in the park, or anything. It can be a local temple, your church, anywhere where somebody is needy of your time, maybe your help, your services. Maybe it can be some amount of cash, whatever way you can. Try, guys. Being of service to others is very, very important, and your soul will be nourished first and foremost. And last but not the least, have a dream. I'll say have 100 dreams. I have 100 dreams. It can be getting into a red dress you bought 2 years back. It can be giving 5 hours a week to yourself. It can be climbing Mount Everest, having a kitchen garden, buying a new home, your favorite car, having a beautiful trip with your family all over Asia. It can be anything. You can have 10 dreams, 1,000 dreams, a million dreams. The best part about dreams are, it's free. Anyone can start dreaming, and it's dreams that keep us alive, keep us joyful, keep us hopeful. So never let go of your dreams. Keep dreaming, start dreaming, and every day work one step towards your dream. Okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and you will surely try some more older tips to fill up your cup again. See you again with another video. Do like, share and subscribe, and I hope you all guys have a great day. Bye bye, take care.